Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic operation. It contains the basic operation which is multiplication, division, subtraction and power. So we have to solve this quiz using order of operation and find out the correct result. Here we have four answers. A is 4, B is 6 and C is 0 and D is 2. So we have to solve this quiz and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards the what is the operation, what is the rule which we will use to solve this expression. So as we know that we have the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule which we will follow to solve this expression. So what is PAMDAS and BODMAS method? Basically, BODMAS, in BODMAS we have B is stands for the bracket, which means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to say like order of operation, or you can say like exponent or power of any number. So if any number has the power in your expression, so you have to solve that part after bracket. After that, you have to see you have to go left to right in your expression and find out the division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve that part first. And if the multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, it is not necessary. This rule is same like left, you have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. If any line division is coming, so you have to solve the division first, and multiplication is coming, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Now we have to move forward. Like here we have our expression, so we have to see the we will use BODMAS and PAMDAS method to solve this expression. So according to the rule, we have to see first the bracket, or you can say parenthesis. But fortunately, our expression does not contain any bracket or parenthesis. So we will skip this step and find out the exponent. So here we have in our expression, we have a bracket or a power, which is equals to 2 raised to power 2. So now we will solve this part first. So here we will write other part as it is, and 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4, and divided by 2 divided by 2. Now here we will give the reference. So 2 raised to power 2 equals to, now we will move forward, and now we do not have any power in our expression. So now we will move forward and see like multiplication and division. So here we will go left to right. Now our expression contains 3 multiplied by 6. This is, so now we will solve this part 3 multiplied by 6, and we will write other things as it is. And here we will give the reference. 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. Now we have to move forward again left to right, and we have the division first in our expression. So we will solve this part now. So 18 divided by 3 equals to 6, and other things we will write as it is. Here we will give the reference. 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. Again, we have to move forward and go left to right. So here we will go left to right. And now we will see division and multiplication. Now we also have a division here. So we will solve this part. So 6 minus 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. And here we will give the reference 4 divided by 2. So in the end, we have the answer is 6 minus 2. Only two terms are remaining, and also they are subtracting each other. So now we have the answer is 4. So answer of this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule is 4. So if you see in the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. One more thing, I have uploaded a English grammar test, so you have to see that quiz as well to solve that parts, and these uh, these MCQs based basically this quiz is the MCQs base, and we have there 15 question and answer. You can solve that part and give the your score in your comment box. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel.